section views cut through the model. You can draw them in plan, section, elevation, and detail views. Section views display as section representations in intersecting views. These views can be created at any time. The views are automatically updated as the model is revised. With a floor plan view open in the program, on the ribbon, select the View tab. From the Create panel, select Section. You can create building, wall, and detail section views. Each type has a unique graphical display, and each is listed in a different location in the project browser. Building and wall section views display in the Sections Building section branch and Sections Wall section branch of the project browser. Detail sections appear in the Detail Views branch. In the canvas, draw a building section. Pick to define the starting point of the section line. When you move the cursor, the section mark displays, and then you can pick a second point to create the section view of the building. Use the flip arrows to cut the section through the model in the opposite direction. The cycle symbol near the end of the section line can be used to change the graphic display of the section head family that is used for the section marker. Double-click the section head marker to open the associated view. From the section view, you can create a callout view of the wall. From the Ribbon, View tab, Create panel, select Callout. From the Properties panel, expand the Type Selector drop-down and choose Wall section. The type in this case is used to help organize the project browser, so it is easier to find the views once they are created. In the canvas, pick once to start the callout, and then pick again to complete the callout area. Use the grips to adjust the callout boundary, or move the reference marker as needed. Double-click the callout head to open the callout view. Notice that, from the View control bar, the scale of the view was automatically assigned to be one scale larger than the view the callout was placed in. The scale can also be changed manually if required. From the View control bar, you can also turn off the crop boundary of the callout. This makes the view look a bit cleaner. The detail level of view can also be changed to show more detail related to the wall construction. Use the Callout tool again. From the Properties panel, change the type to Detail to add a detail callout to this view. Pick to place the callout. Once placed, double-click to open the view. Here you can see that the scale has been changed, and the detail crop boundary is turned off. In the project browser, notice that the newly created section and detail views have been added.